Hi guys, this is TJ. It was a good day for me. Not a pretty good day because Bank Nifty, it would have been a very good day if I would have followed my system. If you remember, I was having one bull call spread overnight position, so that gave me the 10k losses. So this one. So if I leave that one, I'm in profit of 9,500 intraday. But as in whole, um, only I got only 335. So Bank Nifty gap down. If you see, it was a very big gap down, almost 1.5% because of global cues. Um, there are Delta virus scare in US and other countries. So Dow Jones fell over the weekend, and that affected our markets, and that's why we saw this big fall. And after the fall, we recovered a bit, and then we started falling again. If you see, the main fall happened around 12:30 because when European markets opened, even European markets were negative, so we fall more from 12:30. Yeah, so and today also I have got bull call spread, but even this one will go in losses because if you see now, Dow Jones has already fallen 930 points, which is 2.7%, which is too much. And we can see we can see a lot of fall in our markets also tomorrow, at least 1 plus percentage. Our markets will fall, uh, because since we already got this second wave of corona, so we don't see this much of the fall, but at least 1.5% of the fall we can see tomorrow. So this one will go again in losses today, so I need to adjust tomorrow in the intraday. So I will let you know, guys, how I will adjust this one. So let's come. And today, since Bank Nifty fall were pretty good, it's like when at the starting I got this HDFC Bank, and then I got IDFC First Bank. uh, this is for long term. uh, Tomorrow, I'm planning to buy even more, when this is for my long term holding. So if tomorrow, if it falls more, I will add a few more stocks. So this is how you should do. When you should wait for a market to do give this kind of big falls, and you can add long term holdings you which are there in your watch list. So you should always keep an watch list. Whenever you find those kind of stocks in a discount, you can buy. So let's go back to my trades for the day. So Bank Nifty gap down, and we started recovering. So at this point, I went and sold 3500 put. So I sold 3500 put uh, here at 153, and after that uh, I closed it around 946. So if you see here around 946, why I sold here, because Bank Nifty was crossing VWAP, and all my technical analysis was giving a buy signal here. So I bought 3500 put here, and at 946 I rolled to 35200 put. Uh, if you see here at 946, I closed that particular 3500 put at 130, which I got some 23 points, and I shifted to 35 200 put, which was trading around 164. So this one, my stop loss got hit here. So if you can see here, um, till 11:30, uh, it was in it my stop loss didn't got hit. So at this particular point, at 11:30, my stop loss got hit. So whatever 35 200 put I sold at 11:30, my stop loss got hit. Okay, so if you see here, uh, 35 200 put. So yeah, 35 200 put, my stop loss got hit around 194, so I lost 30 points in this. Then at 11:41 I entered again, because I saw like the bank nifty was crossing VMAP again. So if you see here, the bank nifty took support near VWAP and started bouncing back from here. So at this particular candle I entered again. So thinking like a bank nifty is reversing from this point, but again, I got my stop loss got hit over there. So if you can see, my stop loss got hit. So after that, uh, I entered call at 11:57. So if you see here, this particular big candle happened, like bank nifty fell with volume. So what I did at 11:57, I went and sold call. I sold 35 300 call. So if you see here, I sold it at 182. So till this time, I had my in the first my in first in my first trade I got few less profit, but the next two trades I got my stop loss hit, so I was in loss. So then I shorted this 35 300 call at 11:57, and I got pretty good profits in this, because uh, bank nifty moved down from there. Okay, so I almost got uh, more than 50 points in that. So along with this, since bank nifty was very bearish, when I saw this big red candle, uh, I and RSI was trading below 20. So RSI was trading below 20, and bank nifty was very bearish because of this big volume, red candle. So I went and shorted foot futures also. Usually I won't short or buy futures. I will do only when there is a clear signal of bearish or bullish signal. So I shorted this one. So I got decent profits in these particular trades. So this one, I shorted at 182, and I closed around 136, and this one I got, if you can see, I closed it at around 35.22. So I almost got 120 points combined these two trades. So whatever the losses I had, I recovered both. And then I entered, I rolled my 35 200 call. I shorted 35 200 call. uh, Sorry, I closed 35 300 call, and I rolled to 35 200 call, which was trading around 173. It this happened at 12:55. Okay, so if you see here, okay, and after that, the bank nifty started to reverse. uh, if you see here, the bank nifty started to reverse. Okay, and at this particular point, the bank nifty was crossing both 20 DMA and 10 DMA. So I became bullish over there. So whatever the call I had, I closed it. I closed it around 122 with small 1 point gain, and I shorted 34 900 put. Okay, so here also I got pretty good profits. If you can see here, almost 40 points. 40 plus points here. So and then I closed this 34,900 put, and I rolled to 35,000 put, which was trading around 175. This happened at 2 o'clock. So okay, so here when I saw this big candle, I shorted that particular 35,000 put. Okay, thinking like Bank Nifty will break out from here, but the reverse thing happened. The Bank Nifty fell from there, and my stop loss got hit. My stop loss of 30 points got hit here. So if you see here, my stop loss got hit. Okay, so after this, I became bearish again, since at 210. If you see, Bank Nifty was breaking both 10 and 20 DMA, and it was still way below VWAP. I shorted 35 200 call again, thinking like the market will fall from this point. So if you see here, this particular, so till this time I was in very good profits. By recovering yesterday's profit, I was in plus 20k, uh, not plus, yeah, I was in plus 15k, I guess. Yeah. So and then this particular big move happened. See this one, it reached till VWAP, and usually what I will do is, like, for this particular call, I will keep a stop loss of 30 points, but I didn't do that here. I closed the I moved the stop loss, thinking like Bank Nifty will reverse from here, but by the time it started reversing from VWAP, market got closed, and I didn't get the chance. But it would have reversed from this point, so I got a very big loss over there in 35 200 call, a big loss of uh, let's see, 35 200 call. Yeah, if you can see here, I lost around more than 50 points here. So that's it, guys. So these are my discretionary trades. I was in profits as in whole, because uh, only four of my stop loss got hit. Out of 10 trades I did, four of my stop loss got hit, and usually while in profit I will get uh, more than 40 50 points, but when in lose I will lose only 30 points, but only in the last trade I lost more. So otherwise I was in good profit, so I did that particular mistake, last one. So other than that, I entered when Bank Nifty was bullish here. I entered debit spread also. So if you can see here, I think 35,000 call. I did around yeah. So this one, this particular debit spread I did 35,000 call. I got, I bought it, and I shorted a 35 200 a call. So in this also I got some 22 points. If you see here, I closed it uh, around 35,000 call, or I closed it around 324. I got uh, 20 points in this, 22 points in this, with combined those two trades. Okay, so yeah, and as these are my daily system trades. In my system trades, I got yeah, I think some 60 points I got. Yeah. So as an overall, I was just able to recover my losses. That's it. Yesterday's overnight loss. Uh, Otherwise, yeah, I got 330. That's it. And tomorrow, as I told, Bank Nifty, like our market will gap down again. So I need to adjust this particular trade, uh, which will be in loss. So tomorrow I will tell like how I manage that particular trade. Yeah, thanks guys.